for a fun and silly exercise today. We're going to be doing don't drop the paper walks. What is this? Let me show you. Take a piece of paper, anything, a dollar bill, an envelope, a full sheet of paper, it doesn't matter what it is. We're going to take it, place it between our knees, chest up, arms out, and we're going to walk across the line. It looks silly because it is silly, but it's a great training exercise. Using your breath to move, slow and controlled steps. All the way across the line. We're going to start this exercise in slacker stance. And for a challenge at the end, I'm going to offer you a turnaround while holding the paper between your knees. So if you don't know what slacker stance is, and if you don't know how to turn around on the line, check out our SLACKROBATS tutorials. All right, let's check this out on the line. From slacker stance, we're going to move the free foot onto the line and find a moment of stillness as we bring the piece of paper between our knees. Hug in tight, squeezing the knees together, and we start to walk. Placing the weight in the front foot as I take a step. Again, placing the weight in the front foot as I take a step. Trying to keep the chest open, the arms out for balance. Using breath with each step. The goal is slow and controlled movements. And also, don't drop the paper. For that extra challenge I mentioned, we're going to turn around on the line without dropping the paper and move towards the other anchor. A reminder, keep the chest up. Use your breath with your movements. Rock the weight forward with each step. And squeeze the knees in tight together. It's fun, and it's silly, and it's a great training exercise. So have fun with it. Stay hydrated. Until next time, keep training. Peace out.